When the world was not yet over the LLM revolution, Gen AI and ChatGPT, silently there is another revolution which is taking place and redefining the rules of business, redefining the rules of humanity. This is Agentic AI, which is much more powerful than any of the past revolutions, including the regular generative AI. What is Agentic AI? So think of this like if Gen AI, an LLM model was a brain, Agentic AI is giving body to that brain. And you can divide that brain in multiple independent units. That means you can create virtual AI agents which are as powerful and as capable as a human mind and human body is. What that means is they are agents which can think, which can act, which can take decisions, which can behave as a human behaves with an environment. Agentic AI, a lot of people say, is the future. If this is the future builders should know what is Agentic AI in order to create future products. That's what we're going to discuss in this course. Okay, so let's talk about Agentic AI and what's in it for AI developers and how you can create Agentic AI applications. All these things. So in this course, we will understand the theory about Agentic AI, what essentially is an AI agent and how the businesses are using it, how it can be used to solve tasks, solve problems, and do things which a regular LLM model can't do. So in this course, we will discuss popular framework, one of the most popular framework for creating agents, which is Crew AI, and we'll develop two real-world projects. We will create a financial analyst, an AI financial analyst, which will be a combination of agents which can perform multiple functions. So at the end of this course, you will be able to code yourself, create yourself an AI financial analyst who can give you investment advice. It will be a combination of 5 agents, which we will explain further in more detail. The second project which we are going to build over here is a hiring management system. Again, this will be combination of 5 agents, starting from agents like interviewer agent, job resume screener agent, to offer letter generator, and multiple agents, which again we'll discuss in more detail. And both these projects we're gonna implement with Crew AI, and this is where you will build the future with your hands in this course. A dinosaur, a dodo, pharaoh of Egypt, and software developer. What's common between all 4 of them? All 4 of them will gonna be extinct in future. Now you already know 3 of them are already extinct. The last one, software developer, in its current form is gonna be extinct in future, just like dinosaur and dodo. No, I'm not joking and I'm not giving a controversial statement. This is what the world's famous leaders like Jensen Huang from Nvidia and Mark Zuckerberg from Meta are saying, that Agentic AI is gonna replace software developers. So, is it a thing to worry about? The answer is no. Will it replace software developers? The answer is still no. What will it kill? It will kill our existing forms of doing business. It will kill our existing forms of developing product. If you're currently developing product in a manual manner, it's gonna change it. The shift is very similar to industrial revolution when JCBs came. Now to dig land, you don't require a team of 10 people with axes and shovels in their hands. Rather, you just require one person who operates JCB and can dig a 10 times bigger hole than them at a 10 times faster speed. This is the future of software development. This is the future of product development. And this is the future which all of us should be ready for. This is not the thing which we should be worried about. This is the future we should be building right now with our hands. This is the revolution which we should embrace. This is the wave we should ride. So, how Agentic AI is going to change our ways of developing software or our ways of developing any product for that matter. how agentic AI is gonna change our ways of developing software or developing product for that matter. Imagine a financial scenario where you are doing some trading. In the past world, you will have humans, trained humans, sitting in front of computers. Number one person who will analyze the market data. Second step, they will take probably design some trading strategy. Then they look for risk. Then they actually go and execute that trade. And then they also look for compliance, right? So a trained human, a skilled human, which is a high profile trader, is executing all these tasks with the help of software. That's correct. But in future, we can have AI agents doing all these tasks and working together as a team. One agent doing one task efficiently, and together they are doing the entire thing, and the entire function gets automated with very minimal human effort. This is executing the trade. And this is one of the real projects which you're gonna cover in this course. This is a real project which you will build. This is a combination of 5 agents. And these agents are behaving just like humans. Each agent has its own tool. And that tool is for searching the web and for scraping data from there. And each agent has its own function where it uses LLM models to do a particular task. Somebody is summarizing, somebody is analyzing, somebody is executing, somebody is calling an external tool and making a task happen. And somebody is finally publishing the output. So this is the combination of agents which can make a business function, a business process entirely automated. I'll give you another example. Let's say you use ChatGPT or any other tool for generating code. You give a prompt, the code comes to your screen. You don't know whether that code is 100% correct or not. How will you add the human in the loop to improve the accuracy? Probably you will go take that course and put that in an IDE and run it. If there are some problems, some errors, you will probably go back to the ChatGPT, say this is the error it is throwing, can you rework on this code? The LLM model will again work on that code and give you a better code. And probably you do this testing 3 to 4 times. GPT model will give you the best code, the most optimized code, which is passing all the test cases and is running in production. Yes, this required human in the loop, which is you. You are sitting in front of the GPT, prompting 4 times, 5 times, testing it on an external tool and coming back and giving feedback to the GPT. This is happening. Now, even this thing can be entirely automated with AI agents, and that's where AI agents directly come into action. You don't require human in the loop. One AI agent will ask an LLM model to generate a code. Another AI agent will test that code by using external tools, some IDE, any IDE which can run Python or Java, depending on the language you are generating the code for. And then there will be another agent which will pass the feedback back to the LLM model to tell this is right and this is not right, and you refurbish your code. And that new code, again, this whole process goes in loop until your accuracy is of the desired level and the final output is as good as a human sitting with AI generating it. So that's a real application of AI agents for you to visualize that how AI agents are going to transform every business function as we know it today. So guys, if there is one skill which can make you future ready, it is the understanding of AI applications, and one such big application of AI is Agentic AI. Stay tuned.